All right, everyone, we're back at it with another Tabata workout. You guys know I absolutely love Tabata style format. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off for 4 minutes, and basically you pick your workout, right? If you want to continue on after this workout, you absolutely can to go for a second, third, fourth round, right? Totally up to you. Now, if you've been following some of my other workouts, especially the more intense ones, then this video may not be as intense for you. So in a nice way, if you're not my true beginner, go kick butt in another one of my workouts, all right? I love you guys. Let's have some fun. All it takes is 4 minutes. You guys ready to do this? You need nothing but yourself. Let's have some fun. Let's go.
You